So hello Kacheros, for today's video, we are riding a high-speed train going to another ancient town in China. And ito na nga, dito tayo sa train nila, parang airport yung train nila. Pagkalapag namin ng train, ito na nga yung nagsakay kami ng bus. And may nadaanan kami si ate nagbebenta ng strawberry. So yung strawberries nila, very fresh, nasa gilid lang. It's 10 yuan. So that's equivalent to 80 pesos lang in Philippine money. And even mga street vendors, meron na silang Alipay. So electronics and online na lahat, cashless payment. And ito na nga yung ating Fenghuang Ancient Town. So as you know, China is home to many ancient towns and this is one of them. Sobrang ganda niya and very peaceful. Talagang makaka-relax ka talaga. So naglakad-lakad lang kami dito sa whole village. Sobrang malawak siya and madaming mga attractions na pwedeng puntahan. Very Instagrammable every corners of this village. So ito na nga, umabot kami dito sa photo spot, popular photo spot kung saan madami ding nagko-costume ng traditional Chinese costume, or ito yung tinatawag nila ng mga Tujia tribe or other tribes in China. So ang fresh ng water, sobrang linis, sobrang bango, wala ka talagang makitang basura or maamoy na masama. So yan, yung mga photo spots, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Just in case pupunta kayo dito, alam nyo na kung saan kayo papwesto. Yan, so may mga bridges and very ancient talaga. Sa nabasa ko, it's 1,300 years old itong village na ito. So sobrang antique talaga siya. And meron mga windmills, may mga water turbines. Sobrang ganda.